So friends, the question for this example number 6 given to us, lesson number 8. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. Means the cost of each bulb is rupees 10. However, 5 bulbs were fused and had to be thrown away. The remaining were sold at rupees 12 each. Find his gain or loss. Gain means profit. So, first of all, we will find the CP of 200 bulb, that is CP of 200 bulbs. Okay, here bulbs. So that is 200 multiplied by 10 rupees each. So we are getting total CP is 2000 rupees of 200 bulb. But now the thing happens that 5 bulbs were fused. So we have thrown away these 5 bulbs. So now we have given 2000 rupees. After bringing it at home, the shopkeeper found that 5 bulbs were fused, so he threw away. So now left bulb with him is how much? 195. How many bulbs? 195 bulbs left. Therefore CP for 195 bulbs is already 200 जो पे किया है वही वो वापस देने वाला नहीं है. Now SP selling price of one bulb is rupees 12. जब उन्होंने बेचना शुरू किया, he has sold 195 bulbs क्योंकि 195 ही थे. So 195 bulbs multiplied by 12 each, मतलब एक की कीमत 12 है रुपीस. सो टोटल अगर वो बेचेंगे 195 bulbs तो उनको मिलेगा 2340 rupees. Now we have CP of 195 bulbs and we have SP of 195 bulbs. So out of this we find that SP is greater. So when SP is greater, it will be, we know that the deal is profit. So profit means SP minus CP. सर यहाँ पे NP क्यों नहीं लिया? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई एडिशनल एक्सपेंस नहीं है. डायरेक्टली वी आर डीलिंग विद कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो 2340 is the selling price, total sale what we have done, and 2000 was our cost price. So we have done a profit of rupees 340 rupees. Now this 340 rupees is given in rupees, but we need to find that percentage. What percentage profit? So the formula, profit percent is equal to profit multiplied by 100 CP or NP, whichever applicable. So 340 is our profit multiplied by 100 and 2000 is our cost price. Here there is no net price. So we get cancel this 0 and this 0 also cancel. So we left 2 1s and 2 17s. So profit is 17%. So here the shopkeeper incurs a profit of 17% in spite of having lost 5 bulbs. ठीक है? Similarly, question number 7. Minu bought 2 fans for rupees 1200, means 1200 each. She tried to sold one fan, but she incurred a loss of 5%, and the other fan she tried to sold and she got a profit of 10%. See, 2 fans separately उन्होंने बेचे. One she has committed loss and another she incurred a profit of 10%. So find the selling price of each, means हर एक का ये कितने में बेचा होगा लॉस में और ये प्रॉफिट में बेचा था उसका SP क्या होगा. Also find the total profit or loss what she has done. ठीक है. So CP of one fan 1200. So total CP of 2 fan is equal to how much? 2 multiplied by 1200, that is total CP is 2400. Now first fan SP of first fan 5% loss. So first of all we will find 5% loss. ठीक है. So 5% लॉस निकालने के लिए 5% कितने पे 1200 पे उसकी जो CP है उस पे. ठीक है. तो उसकी CP थी 1200 एक फैन की, तो उस पर 5% निकाला तो 60 रुपीज़ लॉस हुआ. सो उसका सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होगा, टोटल जो है CP माइनस लॉस. सो उसका SP मिल गया हमको 1200 माइनस 60 दैट इज 1140 में उसने बेचा, 60 रुपीज़ का लॉस किया 5%. ओके, दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट फैन. नाउ ऑन द नेक्स्ट he tried to sold the second fan. So SP of second fan 10% प्रॉफिट में बेचा, तो 10% प्रॉफिट ऑन 1200 रुपीज़, क्योंकि उसका CP है 1200 एक फैन का. So 10% on 100 multiplied by 1200, 0 0 get cancelled, so 120 rupees, this is profit. Okay, so this is CP plus profit second fan पर. सो SP मीन सेलिंग कितने में बेचा होगा 1200 प्लस 120 उसने प्रॉफिट भी किया, तो टोटल उसका SP कितना रखा होगा उसने 1320. सो फ्रॉम दिस फर्स्ट फैन प्राइस एंड सेकेंड फैन सेलिंग प्राइस वी ऑब्टेन टुगेदर टोटल सेल प्राइस SP इज इक्वल टू 1140 प्लस 1320 दैट इज 2460. Now they have asked us find total profit or loss. तो total CP हमारे पास दिया हुआ है 2400, total SP है 2460. So which one is greater? SP is greater. So here SP is greater, it means profit. SP minus CP is 2460 minus 2400 means 2400. So 60 is the profit. And this profit is in rupees. Now हमने परसेंटेज भी निकाल दिए है उसके, they have not asked, but profit on percentage is equal to CP multiplied by 100, sorry, profit multiplied by 100 C upon CP or NP. So 60 rupees हमारा profit multiplied by 100 and 2400 given to us. जब आई कैंसिल किया मैंने तो 12 के टेबल से 12 2 ज़ा 24 और 12 5 ज़ा 60, तो 5/2%. 5/2% मीन्स 1/2%, और उसको डेसिमल में किया तो 2.5% प्रॉफिट किया है, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट. ठीक है. सो वी कैन प्रोसीड फॉर द नेक्स्ट सम ऑल्सो.